everyone. In this video we are going to see the next type of your coded inequalities. Let's see the question one by one. Statements. What are the statements here? P less than Q greater than T and R greater than or equal to Q. Okay, now I can connect these two statements. First of all, R greater than or equal to Q, Q is greater than P, so Q is greater than P, and one more thing, we don't know about that T and R. Anyway, the Q is greater than T and Q is greater than P. So R is greater than or equal to Q and Q is greater than T. Okay, here common letter is Q. Okay, and conclusion, R greater than P. Yes, R, what is the symbol, common symbol between from R and P? Greater than, R is greater than P, hence first one is correct, and T is less than R. Where is R? R is here and T is here. What are the common symbols? Greater than. So in another name, R is greater than T. In another name, T is less than R. Hence second conclusion is true. So this is the way of connecting the two different statements. Hence your answer is both the conclusions 1 and 2 are true. We'll move on to your next question. G is greater than or equal to H. G is greater than or equal to H is greater than J, less than or equal to K. M is less than H and J is greater than U. Now what is a common symbol? So here H is the common and J is the common. Okay, now H and U, we want to compare H and U. H is available here and U is available here. By means of connecting J, we can able to compare the first conclusion. Here H is greater than J. H is greater than J. J is greater than U. Hence H is greater than U. So first one is right. Now M is less than H. So H is greater than or equal to G. I want to compare M and G here. M is less than H. H is less than or equal to G. So in this equation, G is greater than or equal to H will be written as H is less than or equal to G. So according to this questions, so what is your conclusion? M is less than G. Now is there any common symbol? Yes, less than or equal to. Second conclusion is true. Both conclusion 1 and 2 are follows. We'll move on to your next question. What is your next statement here? So M greater than equal to P, P less than H, V greater than T / M. So conclusion, V is greater than P. V is greater than P. T is greater than or equal to H. So V greater than T. We want to compare V and P. Okay, by means of using M term. So V is greater than M. M is greater than P. So I can write V greater than P. Here common symbol greater than symbol. Hence first conclusion is right. After that, so T greater than H, greater than or equal to H. So I can use T is here. So V is greater than T and where is that? M. Here I can use M also. Either I can use T also or M also. So I can use as M. So M, V greater than M. M greater than or equal to P. P is less than H now. So here instead of M I can use T also. T is greater than or equal to H. Is there any common symbol occurs? No. Is there no common symbols between T and H? Hence it is wrong. Conclusion only one follows here. We'll move on to your next question. Now this is your question. L less than or equal to K less than J, J greater than or equal to U, R greater than or equal to T greater than or equal to J. T T greater than L, U less than or equal to R. Okay, now what is the common letter is here? J. T greater than L. I want to compare T and L by means of using the common letter of J. T greater than or equal to J. J is greater than K. K is greater than or equal to L. Now, T and L, what is the relationship? T greater than or equal to L. Yes, it is correct. T is greater than L. It is correct. What is your second conclusion? U less than or equal to R. So, U is less than or equal to J. J is less than or equal to T. T is less than or equal to R. Hence, U and R relationship is less than or equal to R. According to this question, both conclusions are true. Hence, both conclusion 1 and 2 are follows. We'll move on to our next question. Here, G less than or equal to F slash L less than or equal to J. Now, J less than or equal to K, we can use H. Either I can use the variable of H or I can use the variable of K. Okay. Now, conclusion. H is equivalent to G and G is less than H. This is your conclusion. Now, what is the relationship between H and G? Here G is available and here H is available. By means of connecting the common term of J, I can connect the single statement. H is greater than or equal to J. J is greater than or equal to L and L is greater than or equal to G. By deriving these equations, we are getting the H is greater than or equal to G. In another name, G is less than or equal to H. So, we can say either H is greater than or equal to G or else G is less than or equal to H. In this question, G is less than H. The first one, H is equivalent to G. Hence, either 1 or 2 is true. While separating this conclusion, we are getting the wrong answer. So, how we can read the symbol less than or equal to? How we can read the symbol less than or equal to? So, less than or equal to means we can compare, we want to connect this two statement by means of R. So, hence your option is either conclusion 1 or 2 follows. As we discuss the some of the questions that is which is related to the coded inequalities, in this type we having the two different statements, we want to connect the two statements by means of using the same variable. And thank you for watching.